Why don't cooks ever play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when you're always peppering the place with spicy aromas. Welcome to our fiery escapade into the world of spicy noodle recipes. Today, we're turning up the heat and diving into the sizzling world of spice-infused noodles. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant corners of Sichuan, we're bringing you the most tantalizing, tongue-tingling noodle delights that will surely make your taste buds dance. Spicy food, like a thrilling roller coaster ride, is a bit of an adrenaline rush. It's all about the anticipation, the heart-pounding excitement, and the euphoric aftermath. And just like those daredevil rides, spicy foods are not for the faint-hearted. They're for the brave, the adventurous, those who dare to step out of their comfort zone and embrace the heat. Noodles, the quintessential comfort food, are the perfect canvas for this fiery flavor adventure. They absorb the flavors like a sponge, making every bite a perfect harmony of taste and texture. And the best part, there's no limit to the combinations and permutations one can create with noodles and spices. It's a never-ending culinary playground that invites you to experiment and discover new flavor profiles. Today, we're going to explore 5 scintillating spicy noodle recipes, each with its unique character and charm. We'll journey from the nutty and fiery spicy sesame noodles with chicken and peanuts to the creamy and aromatic Thai turmeric chicken and noodles. Then we'll dive into the tangy and hot Yum Noodle Soup, explore the bold and unique chili crisp noodles from Flyby Jings, and finally, wind up with the hearty and spicy Cajun Clam Chowder noodles. So buckle up, spice lovers, for a flavorful journey that will set your taste buds on fire. Number 1. Spicy sesame noodles with chicken and peanuts. First off, we're diving into a fiery bowl of spicy sesame noodles with chicken and peanuts. This dish is like a party in your mouth where the guests are a medley of flavors, all vying for your attention. Now let's get into the ingredients. We're talking about noodles, ground chicken, peanuts, red pepper flakes, soy sauce, and sesame oil. The magic of this dish lies in the way we enhance the flavors by pouring hot oil over the red pepper flakes, peanuts, soy sauce, and sesame oil. This technique is like a wake-up call for the ingredients, intensifying their flavors and creating a symphony of taste in your dish. We start by browning the ground chicken, which adds a depth of flavor and a delightful texture that perfectly complements the smoothness of the noodles. Once the chicken is beautifully browned, we mix it with the noodles, creating a vibrant and spicy base for our dish. But remember, this is not just about the chicken and noodles. The peanuts add a crunchy surprise, while the red pepper flakes bring the heat. The soy sauce and sesame oil work together to create a savory and slightly nutty flavor that ties everything together. And the best part? This dish is flexible. Want to switch up the protein? Go ahead, try it with pork, beef, or even tofu. Want to add some extra flavor? Throw in some garlic, ginger, or green vegetables. The possibilities are endless, and the result is always delicious. And there you have it, a vibrant and spicy dish that's sure to wake up your palate. The spicy sesame noodles with chicken and peanuts is not just a meal, it's an experience that takes you on a journey of flavors, from the initial burst of heat to the final satisfying crunch of the peanuts. So go ahead, whip up this dish and let your taste buds embark on this culinary adventure. Number 2. Creamy Thai turmeric chicken and noodles. Next up, we're taking a trip to Thailand with creamy Thai turmeric chicken and noodles. This dish is a vibrant dance of flavors, where the earthy aroma of turmeric meets the fiery kick of Thai spices. And let's not forget the star of the show, the chicken, which is simmered until tender and juicy in a luscious curry sauce. Now let's dive into the recipe. We start with a base of onions, garlic, and ginger, sizzling in a hot pan until they're fragrant and golden. Then in goes a generous scoop of turmeric. This humble spice not only gives our dish its signature golden hue, but also imparts a warm, peppery flavor that's truly unique. Next, we introduce our chicken to the pan. The aim here is to get those pieces nicely browned and coated in our aromatic spice mix. Once that's achieved, it's time for the coconut milk. This ingredient is what gives our dish its creamy texture and subtle sweet undertones. It also helps to mellow out the heat, creating a perfectly balanced flavor profile. But we're not done yet. To this simmering pot of deliciousness, we add our noodles. You could use any type you like, but rice noodles work particularly well in this dish. They soak up all that wonderful curry sauce, becoming tender and flavorful. Now the final touch, a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Cilantro, mint, or Thai basil will add a fresh, fragrant note that contrasts beautifully with the richness of the curry. And there you have it, a bowl of creamy Thai turmeric chicken and noodles that's as comforting as it is exciting. Thai cuisine is all about balance, the harmony of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. And this dish, with its creamy texture and fiery spices, truly embodies that philosophy. It's a comforting meal for a chilly evening, but with enough spice to keep things interesting. With this dish, you get a comforting, creamy texture with an exciting spicy kick. Number 3, Yum Noodle Soup. Now we're sailing to the heart of Thai cuisine with the classic Yum Noodle Soup. Our journey begins with a fiery kick from Thai bird's eye chilies. These petite peppers pack a punch and are the heart and soul of this dish. Their heat is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to dance with them, they promise an unforgettable culinary experience. Next up, we have the aromatic trio of galangal, makroot lime leaves, and lemongrass. Galangal, a cousin of ginger, brings a sharp, citrusy flavor. Makroot lime leaves, with their citrusy and floral notes, add a refreshing touch, while lemongrass imparts a lemony zest with a hint of mint. The soup's body is built with prawns, calamari, and mussels, creating a seafood medley that's as tantalizing as a tropical beach sunset. Glass noodles, thin and translucent, absorb the flavors and add a satisfying texture. The symphony of flavors continues with the addition of shallots, cilantro, and culantro. Shallots, more delicate than onions, add a hint of sweetness. Cilantro and culantro, with their unique flavors, act as the perfect garnish, adding a fresh touch to this hot and sour concoction. The soup is seasoned with fish sauce for that umami depth, lime juice for a tangy kick, and a hint of sugar to balance the heat. A dollop of chili jam adds a smoky sweetness that complements the overall flavor. The final touch, a dash of half and half, lends a creamy texture, making this soup a comforting treat. This isn't just a soup. It's a gastronomic journey that takes you through the rich tapestry of Thai flavors. Each spoonful is a burst of salty, sour, and hot notes dancing in perfect harmony, tantalizing your taste buds and leaving you craving for more. So, if you're ready to take your love for spice to the next level, the Yum Noodle Soup is your culinary passport. Its vibrant flavors are sure to leave a lasting impression on your palate, making it a dish you'll want to revisit time and time again. This soup is a symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds dance with delight. Number 4, Flyby Jings Chili Crisp Noodles. Next, we're stirring up some heat with Flyby Jings Chili Crisp Noodles. This dish is a culinary masterpiece, crafted by the ingenious mind of Jing Gao, the founder of Flyby Jing. Her journey started with a restaurant in Shanghai and has now evolved into a thriving business with her signature condiments sold in major retailers. So let's dive into the recipe. The star of the dish, the chili crisp, is not just your ordinary condiment. It's a unique blend of bold flavors and fiery heat, a result of years of experimentation and sourcing rare ingredients. This chili crisp is a symphony of taste that brings a blast of flavor to the noodles. Now onto the noodles themselves. These are not just any noodles, but ones that have been transformed by the magic of the chili crisp. They take on a beautiful hue from the chili and the flavors seep into them, making every bite an explosion of taste. But wait, there's more. The cookbook, the Book of Sichuan Chili Crisp, suggests some creative uses for these condiments. Have you ever thought of pairing chili crisp with fruit or ice cream? It might sound adventurous, but trust us, it's a flavor combination worth trying. And let's not forget about the Chinese liquor baijiu. This potent drink is deeply connected to Sichuan cuisine and is explored in Gao's cookbook. It's a versatile ingredient that can add an unexpected twist to your dishes. As we wrap up this recipe, remember that the essence of this dish lies in its bold flavors and innovative use of ingredients. It's a testament to Gao's culinary prowess and her ability to transform simple ingredients into a delectable dish. This dish is a spicy revelation that will take your love for noodles to a whole new level. Number 5, Cajun Clam Chowder Noodles. Finally, we're bringing the heat to the American South with Cajun Clam Chowder Noodles. Picture this. the comforting creamy indulgence of clam chowder, but with a twist of Cajun heat that makes the dish dance on your palate. Your taste buds are about to embark on a culinary journey from New England to Louisiana in just one bite. Let's get started. The original charm of clam chowder lies in its simplicity. Creamy, hearty, and brimming with the ocean's bounty. But when we introduce Cajun spices into the mix, we're adding a touch of the unexpected. The rich, smoky flavors of paprika, cayenne, and thyme blend seamlessly with the mellow, briny sweetness of the clams, creating a unique harmony of flavors. The secret weapon for this dish, however, is the noodles. They serve as a perfect canvas to absorb all these flavors, and their delightful chewiness adds a wonderful texture to the chowder. Now, imagine the moment when the Cajun spices hit the pan. The aroma wafts up, filling the kitchen with a tantalizing scent. Your senses are instantly awakened, eager for the first taste. The clams are then sautéed in this aromatic spice blend, absorbing the fiery essence before they're simmered in the creamy broth. As the soup begins to bubble, the noodles are added. They cook slowly, soaking up the flavors of the chowder and the spices, becoming a crucial part of this culinary symphony. The result? A bowl of Cajun clam chowder noodles that's a feast for both the eyes and the palate. This dish is not just about the heat, it's about the balance of flavors. The creamy chowder mellows out the spiciness of the Cajun spices, while the clams bring a taste of the sea that's beautifully offset by the earthy noodles. This dish is a fiery fusion that will surely bring a zing to your dinner table. Well, that was quite a spicy ride, wasn't it? We've journeyed through a world of flavors, from the fiery kick of spicy sesame noodles with chicken and peanuts, to the comforting warmth of creamy Thai turmeric chicken and noodles. Each dish, a testament to the transformative power of spices. We dove into the depths of Yum Noodle Soup, teasing our palates with its salty, sour, and hot symphony of flavors. We then ventured to the rich, complex world of Flyby Jings chili crisp noodles, a testament to the power of experimentation and rare ingredients. And who could forget the fusion of Cajun and seafood in the clam chowder noodles? A reminder that spices can be a bridge, connecting culinary worlds and creating something entirely new and exciting. But remember, these are just starting points in your spicy culinary journey. Each recipe is a canvas, waiting for your creative touch. Love garlic? Add some more. Can't handle the heat? Dial it back a little. Want to add a protein twist? Go for it. The beauty of cooking lies in its flexibility and the freedom it gives you to make a dish truly your own. As we wrap up this spicy ride, let's remember the fun and versatility of cooking with spices. They add color, depth, and most importantly, a whole lot of flavor to our dishes. So don't shy away from the spice rack. Embrace it, experiment with it, and above all, enjoy the process. Remember, the world of spices is vast and exciting, so don't be afraid to explore and turn up the heat in your kitchen. Until next time, keep it spicy. For more food and drinks, tips, and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.